Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can manage your extensions in the Yandex browser. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to manage your extensions in the Yandex browser, you just simply have to open the Yandex Browser application. Now, after opening the Yandex browser, you can see this button at the bottom of your Yandex browser. You just simply have to click into that button. From there, you can go to all interface settings. Now, after going into settings, you will get this extension button here. Simply click into that and then you can manage your extensions from here. You can add the web applications, manage your data into extensions, and manage your online safety also. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.